Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the Gemini watermark in Canva Pro. So yeah, only in Canva Pro can you remove the Gemini watermark. And within a few seconds or minutes, you'll be able to completely remove the Gemini watermark in Canva Pro. To do this, just upload your image with the Gemini watermark and select it. Then go to Edit and search for Magic Eraser. Here is the eraser. Just resize the brush size and then click on it. Now you can see the Gemini watermark has been clearly and successfully removed with just one click. So, if you click on it, there are other options as well. You can use the brush to remove, click, or try other available options. So yeah, that's a simple way. Now you can see there's no Gemini watermark. So that's a simple and easy tutorial. If you have a Canva Pro subscription, you can use this to instantly remove the Gemini watermark in Canva. So yeah, that's a simple tutorial. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this video or any Canva-related topics, comment below. I'll be answering all your questions, and I will see you in the next video.